stir crazy. We just gotta get out of the house. So we got a few guys out here today, just gonna ride on the highway, stay socially distant, just do something. And let us know what you guys think about all these cars. We got some pretty nice cars out here. We got we got a Scat Pack wide body. We got Javi's Vortec 5.0. We got Rob's RS3, and we got Bobby's GT. So should be a lot of fun. We're gonna try to refrain from going to Mexico, but there's no guarantees. So hope you guys enjoy this video.
About hit the car in front, accelerating just to try to make noise.
You make noise too, Javi. You can make noise too.
Okay, try. He almost hit the car in front of him. Trying to cut me off. German car drivers.
Everything is so dead. It's so weird to see everything as like a ghost town. This is Clearwater Beach. This is high tourist area. Nothing. Everything. Hotels look like they're closed. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. I'm ready to
So this is normally packed streets and sidewalks and everywhere else with just tourists, and there's nothing.
Okay?
All right, so yeah, that just happened. Let me explain to you guys a little bit what happened. Basically, we're going in a circle. Dude's on a bike, and he had a yield. You're on the road, you got to follow the rules of the law, just like anybody else. You know, just like a car, motorcycle, whatever. You're on a bicycle, you're on the road, you got to follow the rules of the law. I mean, the rules of the road. But he just kept on pedaling along, and I heard him scream. I'm like, he's screaming, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm like, what the? And then I look back, and my wife was watching him, and I didn't hear him bump the car, so I didn't think we hit him, but he fell right behind us. I stopped because I'm trying to be a decent guy. I stopped. I kind of turned around. I parked the car. Me and my wife got out. My wife's a nurse, so she just wanted to make sure the guy was okay, and he seemed like he was okay. He had a couple of bumps and bruises, I guess, but he seemed to be okay. She was really nice to him. I was like, there was a yield there. Just to show you guys, I wouldn't, try and hit the guy with the car or whatever, or being a dick or not following the rules of the road.
I broke something. Oh shit.
Alright guys, so it wouldn't be a trip for us if there wouldn't be drama. And we got drama. We always have drama. God damn it. So, old Mr. Reliable Hobby. He's kind of stuck in the side of the road, so we're on our way to go rescue him right now. It wasn't far from the house, so I went home, left the Mustang at the house, and picked up the new car, and it's got more room for him to ride in the back, so, and I'm gonna be waiting on a tow truck, It sucks for a hobby. It might be a trans issue, that's what we're thinking. Maybe we sheared off a bolt from the converter, but I don't know, everything going on, it's gonna be hard to get it fixed anytime soon. But yeah, we're on our way, waiting on the tow truck, and I'm gonna bother him a little bit, but it's okay.
They didn't even recognize you because you're in this car. Tow truck guy's like, who is this?
Broke car again, Howie.
up, we're just going to have to invest in a tow truck of our own.
Yeah. I want a truck and trailer.
Well, there you go.
I don't know if you need help or not. Oh, I thought you were leaving. I was like, what about this one?
I thought that's what he was doing too. Oh shit, semi. I'm not taking on a semi. I'm gonna get out of the road.
Oh man. I need to stop breaking this car. See? That's what happened with the 700 horsepower cars. 500 horsepower cars don't ever break. 500 horsepower cars don't ever break.
Keep talking smack, you'll be next.
Right? Careful what you ask for. That's the way that goes.
Yeah.
Karma is a bitch.
What was that oil you were smelling over in Clearwater?
Turn down the pressure washer.
Oh man, they pressure washed her with dumping buckets of water at her and shit. Oh, it's hilarious. Car's still cruising.
Yeah, we're still cruising.
Alright, so I got the car back. It's in the corner already. I'll check on it in the next couple of days when I get a chance. I wanted to thank Bobby, Naomi, Jason, his wife, for sticking around. We had to wait for the tow truck for almost an hour, not bad at all. And then of course Margie and Christina, thanks for bringing me home. They went home and took the Mustang because we were close and got the new daily, the GTI. Nice car, nice daily. Let's see how long that stays stock, right? Anyways, the cruise was awesome. You know, we cruised, we put gas, we cruised, we put gas, we cruised. And that was it until the car broke. You know, other than the car breaking, it was an awesome cruise. I had fun. I'll do it again. We have the other car to do it again at some point here, and hopefully the wifey will come next time. But yeah, I'll show. Here's a little clip. You know, we were doing some spitter driving around the country. Marty hit it after Bobby, and then it was me, and I had traction. Something snapped off. We'll find out soon what it is. The noise is around the converter, so hopefully I can figure it out here, and it's, you know, maybe a new stock converter, or let's see what we end up doing. But anyways, hopefully you guys liked the video. It was an awesome cruise. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, to see what's coming up next, and yeah, peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.